Hello, this is Nindy Kerr and welcome to Nindy's Creative Corner. I have really been enjoying the new Notes and Totes bundle. It is just so much fun making all these little totes and decorating them. So I'm going to show you how. I've made a few and came up with a few tricks to make it easier. So let's get started. Oh, here's one of the first ones I made. I will be showing you more at the end. We are going to use some beautiful bokeh paper to make our tote this time. I've generally used cardstock. We'll be using this large die for the tote. And I want the yellow at the top. Here's our first one. We'll need two. Guess I should have checked to make sure how close it was, but it will fit good as long as you make sure this part is on paper. And we'll move it down a tinge. There are two choices of handles, this kind of almost a triangle thing and this loopy thing. I think we're going to do this one this time. And we'll do it out of Lemon Lolly cardstock. We don't need that part. I keep misplacing my take your pick tool that has the poker. I guess I'll add that to my list of things to get. And we'll need two of these. As you can tell, I'm just using scraps. And there's a starfish and a shell, some sunglasses, water bottle, a sprayer, a pocket you can put on the front. This can make a newspaper. This is a fence, and this is the part that goes along the bottom, and it has two strips that can go up the sides. And another water bottle and a ribbon or something. Anyway, we are going to use the starfish because I haven't used it yet. And again, we'll cut two. This is a flat toothpick. I usually have round ones. Okay, there we go. And I think that's as fancy as we're going to get today. You can decorate it however you want. Alrighty, we are going to fold on the score lines. And then we will crease them with our bone folder. Now you'll notice this has little things. You just fold it so it's straight. And it doesn't matter if they're perfectly straight or not. Okay, that's our one piece. And for our second piece, you can see this line right here. We're going to cut off that part on both sides. Just right along the score line, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now we'll do all the score lines again. And do these little parts here. Do the bottom flat and the other side flat. I just found it's easier to fold them first and then crease them. And using a bone folder gives a much better finished product. Okay, so we're going to decorate first. I found it's easier to decorate while it's laying flat. So we will add our handles. Now you have a choice. You can position them like this, or you can have this part all the way up at the top. I think that's what I'm going to do this time. Oh, I guess we did get a little glue on. And just try to center it. And make sure it's lined up. That's the good thing about glue, is you can have a little wiggle room. And make sure and press down. And here's our seashells. We'll go ahead and glue them on. And remember, you don't need a lot of glue because you don't want it to smush out. So of course it comes out in a big glob at the end, so just spread it around. Okay, we will use some glue dots. And we're going to put them right here on all 4 places. right along that inside score line. These will help hold this little flap in place. And then we will need a glue dot on the top of each of those, and I know I've skipped some. So this one, we'll put it partially on. See how it sticks up a little bit, and then just fold it back. Some people talked about cutting glue dots, but that didn't work out so well for me. Then we'll put it here, about half on. Oops. And then we will fold it down. Right now what we will do is we will take and make it so it is square on the bottom, and usually I put it on the table, and it will cover part of the dot. We will do it to this side too. And make it square. Alright, now we will glue on the sides. So take your one that you didn't cut the flap off, and it doesn't matter which side you do first. Well, I don't know, we'll do this side first. And we will match it up with this side. So match the cut edge up with the score line. And make sure it's straight. And then one of the bottom flaps will be lower than the other, and we will put glue on that one. And we'll put glue on this side flap. And wipe it on my jeans. Okay, so we will close it and make sure that that little side flap is on the inside, and put this on the inside. Okay, so maybe I shouldn't have stuck this one all the way. It worked out easier last time. Okay, there we go. Squish this one inside. And move it so that it lines up right. Then press your side, and let's do your bottom too. I don't know why that moved. Okay, so here's our cute little tote bag. So have fun making these. They hold quite a bit actually. So you can put lots of treats or a gift in here. Okay, I'm going to show you, here's a few that I've made. This one just has the seashell and the loopy handles. This one uses the pocket die cut, and here's the cute little sunglasses. Here's the original one. Here's another one I made from Designer Series paper. It includes this little newspaper cutout and the stamps. So you can have fun making a variety of these. Enjoy, and remember to sign up for my newsletter at www.nindiescreativecorner.com. Thanks, bye.